Good morning and welcome to the class. We are going to proceed the same chapter, that is chapter 8. In the previous class we had discussed some important projects which are run by central government and state government. Now we are going to discuss some other projects of Rajasthan. In the previous class we had discussed about the Chambal Valley project, Indira Gandhi Canal and Mahi Bajaj Sagar project and Bisalpur project. Now we are going to discuss about some other project of Rajasthan. Let's discuss other projects of Rajasthan. First, Jakham project. Second, Som Amba Kamla project. Third, Meja Dam. Fourth, Sidmukh project. Fifth, Jawai Dam project. Sixth, Narmada project. And seventh is Panchana Dam. Now these are the 7 projects which are run by our Rajasthan government. Actually these provide the water, supply the water to the district of Rajasthan. Now we will discuss them in detail. First of all, Jakham project. Jakham project is built on which river? Jakham river. It built on Jakham river. It provides the water for drinking and irrigation to 3 major districts, that is Chittorgarh, Dungarpur and Pratapgarh. And one of the canal has been developed. There is one canal has been developed near the Nagaria village. First of all, Jakham project. I write here. You have to remember which river? Jakham river. Which river? Jakham river. Provide water supply to Chittorgarh, Pratapgarh. These are not given in so much detail. Pratapgarh and Dungar. And one of the canal has been developed near a village, that is Nagaria village. You have to remember this much only, not so much. Canal, water supply. So I hope you understood this. Next is Som Amba Kamla project. We are only studying them. Som Amba Kamla project. Now this project is also important project. This project has been constructed on which river? Som river. On which river? Som river. And it is constructed in which village? Kamla Amba village. Which village? Kamla Amba village. Now which area has been irrigated? Which area has been irrigated through this project? Irrigated area Aspur Tehsil. Aspur Tehsil of Dungarpur. Aspur Tehsil of Dungarpur and Salumbhar Tehsil Salumbhar Tehsil of Udaipur. Salumbhar Tehsil of Udaipur. I hope you understand. Okay. Now we are going to see which one two we have discussed. Now we are going to see third, that is Meja Dam. What? Meja Dam. Now it has been constructed on which river? It has been constructed on Kothari river. Okay, in which village? Meja village. Where is this Meja village? It is situated in Bhilwara district. In Bhilwara district. Okay. Now see, through Meja Dam, okay, fisheries and canals have been developed. Fisheries and canals have been developed. Okay. Now fourth. What about fourth? Fourth is Siddhamukh project. Fourth is Siddhamukh project. Now see, it is constructed to collect the water from two rivers, that is Vyas and Ravi rivers. Extra water, we can say that extra water. When there is the extra water in two rivers, that is Ravi and Vyas, Siddhamukh project is used to collect them. Okay, and the area, how much area? Nearly 33,000 hectare of land irrigated. How much? 33,000 hectare of land irrigated. Okay, and collect water from which river? Collect water from Ravi and Vyas. Ravi and Vyas. Okay. Now area, irrigated area is, that is Taranagar and Rajgarh. Taranagar and Rajgarh, which are situated in Churu, okay, and Nauhar and Bhadra. Nauhar and Bhadra, these are the irrigation area. Okay, Nauhar and Bhadra, these are situated in Hanumangarh and Sri Ganga Nagar. Okay, you have to remind the rivers name and why they are constructed. Okay, this much. Now we are going to say 5th, 6th and 7th. I hope you understood these two also. Now 5th and 6th. Let's see now 5th, 6th and 7th. 5th we are going to see Jawai Dam project. Jawai project or Jawai Dam also we can call it. Okay, Jawai Dam project. Now as a river, it is also built on which river? Jawai river. Which river? Jawai river. Jawai river, it is the one of the tributary. It is one of the tributary of Mahi river. You remember Mahi river in Bhilwara? Sorry, Mahi river in Baswada. Okay, Mahi river. Okay, this much you understand. And which area has been irrigated by Jawai Dam? Okay, Erinpura, that is situated in Pali. Okay, at Jalore, these area has been irrigated. Mahi river of Baswada, you know that, and Erinpura and Jalore, these area has been, okay, irrigated by which project? Jawai Dam project. Now 6th, Narmada project. as a name, okay, Narmada project. It has been built on which river? Narmada river, okay, which river? Narmada river. It is also known as Sardar Sarovar project, okay, different name, second name, Sardar Sarovar project. And it supply water. It supply water to major district, that is Badmer and Jan. I hope you understood. And next is, that is last one, Panchana Dam. Now see, according to name you can see that Panchana, it means Panch, 5, okay. That's why it has been constructed on the confluence point of 5 rivers, okay, confluence point of 5 rivers. Okay, Barkheda, Bhadravati, Machi, okay, Baisawat and Atta. Okay, these 5 rivers, okay, on which there is the confluence point of these 5 rivers, and on that confluence point Panchana Dam has been constructed, okay, and the water of these dam, the water of this dam has been provided to villages of Todbhim, Hindon, okay, Todbhim and Hindon and Gangapur. So you have to remind this and you have to memorize this. These project, it can be asked as a question that write 4 or 5 other projects of Rajasthan. So you have to write these. Okay. Now we are going to move on the next topic, that is water conservation. Water conservation. Now first of all, you know that water is very essential for all of us, or for human being as well as for other living beings, okay. So it is very essential to conserve the water, okay. Different methods have been used to conserve the water, okay. Now we will see which methods are used in Rajasthan to conserve the water. Now first of all, we will see water conservation. First of all, what is water conservation? So we can write, it is a process to conserve the, rainwater. It is the process to conserve the, rainwater by proper methods like, okay, ponds, bowries, lakes, etc. You know that what is conserve? What is conserve? Conserve means to save for the future. Conserve means to save for the future. So we can say that it is a process of water conservation is a process to conserve the rainwater by proper methods like ponds, bowries, lakes, etc. Okay. Now see why it is very essential. Now we are going to see why it is essential. Need for water conservation. Now why there is the need for water conservation? So let's see. First, as you know that it is inseparable part of our life. We cannot live without water. No one can survive without water on the earth. Okay. Now second, it is essential. It is essential for humans as well as for other living beings. For other living beings. Okay. Now see, in Rajasthan or in other place we see that many methods are used to conserve the water. In Indian culture we can say why? Why in Indian culture water is always considered as nectar. You know what is nectar? We call it Amrit. Okay. Now fourth, continuously irrigation has been taking place, and due to that you know that there is the continuous exploitation of water resources. So it is very essential to conserve the water. ठीक है, तो write down due to irrigation there is exploitation of water. There is exploitation of water. So there is the need of water conservation. And fifth one, ancient Indians. We can say that in ancient India, was well-wished, or we can call them aware, well-wished or aware for water conservation. That's why they built different methods. We can say like bawdis, lakes, ponds, johar. These are different methods to conserve the water. So we can say that sixth point there is also due to industrial development. These resources used carelessly. So it is very essential to conserve the water. I hope you understand whatever I taught you. First of all, 7 projects of Rajasthan, then water conservation and why there is need for water conservation. Now in the next class we are going to study about some traditional method for water conservation. Thank you.